Escape the 9-to-5 drill. Ace the life race. It's 8:30 a.m. and you're running late for your 9-to-5 shift. You stumble out of bed and crash into the bathroom yelling at your wife that you won't be having breakfast. Cursing to yourself, you finally reach the office barely 10 minutes late and take your seat for another excruciating, boring day. Does this sound painfully familiar? Are you sick of your shitty 9-to-5 job and want to change the way you live? Have you dreamed of living the ideal life but your dreams just keep getting stagnant? You're in luck, because we have just the success anecdote you need to get pumped up. Get ready for the inspirational story of Scott Alan Turner. He, like you, couldn't take it anymore and made life bow before him. Applying the idea from the Tim Ferris's book, The 4-Hour Workweek, Escape 9-to-5, Live Anywhere and Join the New Rich, he gave a new meaning to his life and now lives a dream life. Wait, does that mean you can work for 4 hours a week and live anywhere? Absolutely yes. But does that mean you can start the dream life right away? Hey, hold your marbles, guys. Baby steps make the way. Do you think Turner just woke up one morning and changed his life all over in a day? Not even close. Right after college, he switched from job to job and spent his limited earned money on God knew what. Not only that, he went through a major crisis of losing $40,000 on stock market investments in all. Sounds terrible, right? Then how did he end up being a self-made millionaire at the ripe age of 35? With the deal process from Ferris's book, let's break down the deal to you. D. Definition. Turner realized how important it is to redefine your life goals, to break free from the monotonous circle of life and continuous setbacks. He overcame his fears of failure, gave the old game the sack, set a new game to play, gave his dreams a new meaning. E. Elimination. Have you ever found it hard to say no to your boss at work? Turner went through this too. He decided he had to learn to say no at times when he just couldn't do it. This gave him the chance to free up more self-time through which he increased his productivity. A. Automation. Ever heard about outsourcing? It's a major cost-cutting process, and many companies have tried it successfully. What is it really about? If you've just started a business and want a specific job done, the best option would be to hire someone from somewhere with a low-cost lifestyle. For example, a job that requires $30 an hour in your country would cost you $2 in somewhere like India, and people there are actually happy to do that for you. Turner preyed on this fact to reduce his budget while getting maximum work done. Sounds crazily genius, doesn't it? L. Liberation. We've reached the crux of what this video is all about. Remember how I said at the start about working from anywhere in the world? Well, for that, liberate yourself from geographical boundaries. How? You know, we have a clear advantage over our peers. Back in the generation, the internet wasn't common at all, so of course, everyone just had to attend their business without vacations. With the online business raging, you can be at the beaches in Spain and continue making money back in the US. Just hire assistants who do that for you. And if you're a 9-to-5er, well, you can achieve that too. Learn by slowly taking days off work and work from home. This not only saves your commute times, work productivity. When you work from home, you can work in an efficient way and take breaks at your leisure, then according to company rules. Gradually, with your work efficiency, your boss won't even notice that you're not in the office, as long as he gets the work done by you. Turner, being an entrepreneur, made a website for a product that wasn't available to sell online. This made him the only one in the niche and helped expand his business. Through outsourcing most of his staff, he finally freed himself from having to attend the business himself. So, you have the deal now. In sum, take your life into your own hands. Don't let anyone else take charge of that. Realize that your fears don't have a meaning until you give them one. Learn to say no more often and take mini vacations away from work. Begin to outsource. Countless people are just waiting for you to hire them. Free yourself from the boundaries of your workplace. It can do without you for a while. As they say, slow and steady wins the race. Don't think you can achieve this overnight, but begin by carefully outlining your dream goals. Keep the mantra in your head that nothing can stop you now from achieving what you want. So, make your own rules and ace the life race. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more motivational videos like this.